As for my boy, make I no dollar po. Fine. Mam lassie.
MC Billions. MC Billions, have fun now. I get one question where I want to ask you. MC Billions.
Kilo share.
I get one question where I want to ask you. As per veggie where I do, I want to ask you, tell me now, what will be the difference between romance and sex?
Boji. You want to say they don't soften your leather? You want to say they don't do different type of Olympic swimming competition for your swimming pool? Now you can talk say this. For what you talk right now, I see if God come now, if not true, I know if you go anywhere. They tell you. See Boss, in short, you don't even vex me. The evidence say I know anytime heaven now. See I see you for where I did when I die.
Over.